To deliver personalized digital files to your customers, all you need to do is go to FileFlare, go to Orders, and then click into the order. And if you scroll down a little bit, in the Products and Assets section here, where you can see the product that they ordered, you'll see a button in the top right saying Attach Assets to Order. If you click this, you can either upload assets directly to the order, or you can select from assets that are already in your asset library. For now, we'll click this one. I've already got some uploaded here. Let's say we'll select these two, click Attach, and that's it. And then what you can do is you can send the download email to the customer. So if you go up to this section, click the Send button, and then it'll send the download email. There's also one thing I wanted to show you, and that's this title here. So whenever you attach files directly to an order, they'll sit under this title. The good thing about it is that you can customize this title to whatever you want. All you need to do is go down to the settings page, go to the branding section, and then digital delivery page. And then here under additional downloads, you can type anything you want and it'll appear there.